Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving straight into how you can use Stan Store for affiliate marketing, especially leveraging the Stan affiliate share feature, guys. So if you're already using Stan Store to sell digital products or services, this feature, guys, can actually help you expand your reach by letting other Stan users promote your products on their stores and vice versa. I'll walk you through how it works and how you can maximize this feature to grow your affiliate income. Guys, let's get started, okay? So first, let's talk about what Stan's affiliate feature actually is, guys. So essentially, this feature allows you to create an affiliate program for your products directly within Stan Store. You can offer a commission to other Stan users for promoting and selling your products on their stores, guys. Likewise, okay, you can also promote other people's products on your store and earn commissions. This opens up a huge opportunity for, cross promotion, guys, and allows you to tap into other creators' audiences and expand your reach and increase potential sales, guys. Okay. Now, if you're a seller and you want other people to promote your products, setting it up is simple. So head up to your Stan Store dashboard and select the product. Okay. Select the product that you want to enable affiliate sharing for. You'll see an option to set a commission rate. All right. You'll see that option right there, commission rate. This is a percentage of each sale that you're willing to pay other creators who want to promote your product. For example, if you're selling a digital course for $100 and you set the commission at 20%, okay? Affiliates who promote your product will earn $20 per sale. So you can adjust the commission rate depending on how much incentive you want to give. But keep in mind that offering competitive commissions can attract more affiliate guys and boost your sales. Okay? It can boost your sales when you put a higher commission rate. Okay? Once you've set up your affiliate program, and now other Stan users, guys, will be able to find your products and add them to their stores through the affiliate marketplace. This is where the magic happens, guys. Stan store users promoting your products will share your affiliate link on their bio page, and when their audience makes a purchase, both you and the affiliate benefit. It's a win-win situation, guys. So not only are you getting more eyes on your products, but you're also building relationships with other creators in your niche, which can help, lead to more collaborations in the future, guys. And if you're on the other side, okay, and if you want to promote other people's products to earn commission, that's easy too. You can browse the affiliate marketplace within the Stan Store, guys, and you can find products that align with your audience, okay? And then just add them to your store, guys, okay? Just add them to your store, and when you promote these affiliate products, you earn a commission for every sale made through your link. This is a great way to diversify income streams, especially if you're not selling your own products yet, but want to get involved into affiliate marketing. So you're monetizing your audience without actually having your own product, guys. Now, guys, one key strategy, guys, I want to tell you when using affiliate share feature, you need to carefully select the products you promote, okay? They have to align with your brand and audience. So the products actually feel like a natural fit. For example, if let's say you're a fitness influencer, okay, promoting health or fitness related digital products such as workout plans or nutrition guides would be ideal. Okay, the more relevant your product is to your audience, the higher your chances of making sales and hence profit. Okay, guys. So also you want to give an honest recommendation. Okay, when you're promoting, be honest, build trust with your audience, and it will lead to long-term success in affiliate marketing, guys. Okay, it's really easy, guys. This process is really seamless. Okay, this is a really seamless process and it's really easy. So in conclusion, guys, the Stan affiliate share feature is a powerful tool for anybody who wants to grow their affiliate marketing efforts, whether you're promoting your own products or helping others sell theirs. You can leverage the reach of other creators, guys, and strategically promote these affiliate products and generate additional revenue streams. Okay, guys? And thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on growing your online business, guys. And as always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, Ninja Guides.